Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am only VJ and today I will teach you about two new commands in the Insert tab of MS Excel 2021 in which we will talk about icons and 3D models. How can you insert icons and 3D models onto the page? You will find both these new commands in Office 2019 and 2021. When you click on icons, many more categories open up within which you can also get images here for free. You also have icons, cutout people, meaning you can insert images with transparent backgrounds here as well. There are also stickers available to you, so there is a lot here. Today, we are going to study all of this in detail, and along with that, we will also learn about 3D models today. So before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learn something from today's video, if you are able to learn something new, then please do like and share this video. And be sure to tell me in the comments if you are one of my subscribers who has subscribed to my channel and regularly watches the videos. Please introduce yourself and then mention the name of your city or your country. So let's start today's lecture. We will talk about icons and 3D models in this session. You will find both of these commands new in Office 2021 and 2019. If you want to insert any kind of icon, you need to click on Insert and then click on Icons. As soon as you click on Icons, this box for icons will open in front of you. This box opens directly, but this command will only be active when your computer is connected to the internet. If the internet is not connected, this command will not be active. So what do we need to do? First, let's talk about icons, and from here, according to your needs, you can select any icon you want, whether it's a medical icon, an educational icon, a transport icon, or an IT icon. Whatever icon you need, you can take it from here. Just like you used to insert symbols in the older versions, you can now insert icons here as well. So I have selected this icon here. You can also select more than one icon at a time. Secondly, I selected this one, or I selected this one, and third, I selected this icon. So we are inserting three icons here at the same time. After that, as soon as we click on insert, all three icons will be inserted together here. Then, by clicking here, you can arrange each of these three icons separately like this. In this way, you can insert icons here. After that, if we want to insert any images here, we will click on icons again, and then you need to click on images. Then the image categories will open in front of you. There are categories like internet, hobbies, learning, and so on. Whatever type of picture you need, you should select that picture here and then insert it. That picture will be inserted onto the page. In this way, we can also insert any picture we want here as per our preference as needed. And after that, if we go to insert and then click on icon here, if you want a cutout picture, that is one without a background, then from here you can choose any picture you like as per your preference without a background, just like we selected this picture. And after that, we insert it. After inserting, see, this picture has now been inserted here without a background. We can adjust it anywhere we want. In the same way, let's move forward. Go to insert, then go to icons, and now we'll talk about stickers. From here, we can also add stickers. We can also add these stations here. If you need data inline art, you can get it from here as well. For example, we clicked here and then clicked on insert. So those images will be inserted here for us. After that, see, whenever we click on any shape or image, a graphics format tab opens up in front of you. So you need to click on the graphics format tab. This tab will only open when you click on a shape, a picture, or a station. After that, look here. If you want to change the graphic, there are 4 categories available. From file, if you have something on your computer, you can take it from there. Stock images, online sources, or from icons. So we can also take it through icons. That means if you want to insert something else instead, you can select it. After selecting, what do you have to do? Insert it, and another icon will be inserted in its place. If you want to convert it into a shape, like here we have the option to convert icons into shapes. The command is given here, convert to shape. As soon as we click on convert to shape, see, it has now been converted into a shape. You can format all its objects separately. For example, I clicked here, went to format, and by clicking here you can change its color, etc. For instance, I applied this color here. Similarly, for all the other objects we have, we can click on them one by one and change their color schemes, etc. After that, let's move to the next command. We go to graphic format, and then if you want to change the graphic style, see we have these color schemes which we can also change. In this way, we can also apply no fill color from here. You can also set the outline from here. Whatever colors you want to apply, you can do it from here. After that, in the next command, if you click on graphic fill, you can also change its color here. Then by clicking on more colors, you can see here that you have countless different types of colors available. Whatever color you select from here will be applied here. If you want to change the outline, you can click here and change its outline as well. You can give any outline you want here. After that, we have soft effects. By clicking here, you can also apply effects such as glow effect. Along with that, we have soft edges, which you can also apply. Then there's bevel effect, and after that 3D rotation is also available here. So whatever command you want, you can apply it from here as you wish. Next, we'll talk about bring forward. In our text, this means that you can add the description, etc. for the objects, pictures, or icons we have. You don't need this for now, so from here you'll go to bring forward. If you click here, and after clicking, if you want to send it behind another shape, then click on send back. As soon as we click on send back, our picture will move to the back side of that shape. If we use send back, that's what happens. If you use bring forward, see it comes to the front. We click here, and if we want to send it to the back, we use send back here, and to bring it to the front, we use bring forward. After that, we have the selection panel, which is a command that tells you how many objects and images are on your sheet. You can also hide or show them as you wish. So you need to click on the selection panel, and all the objects will be listed here. Whichever one you click on will be highlighted, so you'll know which image is currently highlighted. You can click there to hide it, and you can also show it again. For example, I clicked here and hid it, and here we can also show it again. That means if there are objects you don't want to print, you can hide them from here, and the ones you want to print you can show from here. You can hide all commands, and you can also show all objects. After that, the next command we have is that we click here on graphic, and then we'll talk about it further. About alignment. Suppose you want to bring this picture to the center of another object, or align it to the left, right, or top. First, you need to click on one object. Then, while holding shift, click on the second object. So you have to select both objects, then go to graphic format, and after that go to alignment and choose align to center and align to middle. And after that, if you want to move it to the top, you will click on top. If you want to move it to the bottom, you will click on bottom. In this way, you can set both center and middle here. If you want to group these objects, for example, you clicked on one, then with shift you clicked on the second object, then clicked on the third. We want to group all three and move them together. So click on graphic format, then go to group and click on group. Now, as you can see, all three objects have been grouped together. If you want to ungroup them, go to ungroup, then come to group here and click on ungroup. This way, all your objects will be ungrouped. After that, let's talk about rotation. We click here, go to graphic format, and then if we want to rotate, that is, we click on this image, go to rotate, and by clicking here, we can also rotate it as you wish. And after that, if you want to crop something, you click here, then click on crop, and you can crop as much of the area as you want from here, according to your preference. So from the left, right, top, or bottom, you can also remove any extra space from here as you wish. So you will crop from here, and after that, we will talk further. After cropping, the next command that comes is crop to shape. If you want to crop within a shape, first, we have this picture here, and we want to crop it. Let's take the same one. We come here, go to the form, and after that, you have to click here. After that, you can crop it into any other shape. So see here, it has been cropped according to the shape. And after that, if you want to resize the picture, the shape, the icon, click on graphic format. Here, you can also enter its length and width as you wish. In this way, you can also change the size of any icon or image. After that, the next command we'll study is about 3D models. About 90% of the commands for 3D models are the same as the ones I just taught you in graphic format. But in 3D models, 3D images are a completely new command which you can apply to make your document or your presentation even more attractive. For example, when you go to 3D model, you have to click on stock 3D models. And remember, this command will only be active when your computer is connected to the internet. So you have to click on stock 3D models. As soon as we click here, countless categories will open up in front of you. Now, whichever category you want to insert here, for example, I clicked on traces. After that, see, a treasure trove has opened up in front of you. Then, whichever command you want to bring here, you will click on it and insert it. As soon as you click insert, that same shape, that same 3D model will be inserted here. You just have to wait a little while. So see, in this way, the shape you selected has been inserted here. And by clicking here, you can rotate it as you wish, set it at any angle you want. Similarly, if you want to insert a new one here, for that, you have to go to Insert, then to 3D Model, and then click on Stock 3D Model. After that, you can select any model you want here. For example, I clicked on Animals. After clicking on Animals, let's say I selected this animal here, and then I selected this one as well. So we are inserting both at the same time. As soon as we click Insert, both animals will be inserted together. After waiting a little while, you will see that both pictures have been inserted on the page, and after that you can also rotate them as you wish. So see, the pictures have appeared here. We click here, and after clicking we resize it. See this? Then by clicking on it you can rotate it as you wish. See, you can rotate it as well. So look, this is a 3D image and you will see it like this here. And if you click on this picture, you can also rotate it to see how it looks from different views. See, you can change this one as well as you like. So by adding 3D images like this, you can make your work even better. After that, when you click on this, there will be a tab for the 3D model. The command is the same as the one we studied a little while ago. The rest is this margin we have, and these are the 3D model views. You can click here and change the view as you wish. Whatever kind of view you want, you can get it from here. And by clicking here, you can also set the view as you like. Then after that, we come here, and after clicking here, see, I resized it from here like this. If you want to reset it, just click on Reset Model and it will go back to how it was before. So this was our lecture for today, in which I taught you about two new commands where you learned about icons, images, and 3D models. So I hope you definitely learned a lot of new things in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. So we'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.